If anybody is watching this, they have adopted our kids, DHS and Cua. The state says I had full custody of all my kids. They have not been reporting anything back to the state about any of these court proceedings or anything they have done. They have been committing welfare fraud. They have committed identity theft. They have been using my information, my husband's information. And at this point, our kids are just being abused in their care. They have abused my 6-year-old and coached him and threatened him and abused him to do what they say. We have a court order that says otherwise, that we haven't done anything to our kids and that they're more than welcome to come back. You cannot take children if the family is going to a shelter. You cannot take children just based off of homelessness. I see all these parents that have their children that are homeless, and the fact that you're not basically taking care of homeless people. They basically make money off of people being homeless. I'm just going to tell you that now. The city's making a bunch of money off of people being homeless. These shelters are abusive. They don't care. They'll rob you. They'll steal your stuff. They'll set you up. It's not right. Philadelphia is full of shit. And I'm just going to tell you right now, DHS is part of the trafficking. Why children are getting raped, hurt, and all of that. Why there's missing children. DHS and Turning Points for Children has been part of this whole entire thing. They also been basically abusing clients and abusing their children too. The court, family court, is part of all of this. Family court, yeah, they're working against the parents and working with DHS to make money. This is how they make money, taking children. Their paychecks ain't paying them much, so now they have to take children forcefully without going by the law. They don't know the law. They hiring these young-ass people, these young-ass workers that look like hoes. They dress like hoes in front of our kids, like boobs all out, crack all out, you name it. They have been dressing like that and coming to people's places, which is I know a lot of parents can agree with that. And the only one I can actually go for help is the commissioner's office. And if they don't do nothing about it, the news is waiting to basically exploit DHS and Cua. I've sent all my proof, and now all I have to do is wait. But they're saying that my kids should be back in my care, or this is going to go to the CIA. And then they're going to have to deal with them. And how they deal with business, people don't be found and people don't be seen. So they're thinking about pitching all my information that I've given them to the CIA. So with that being said, hopefully people that are stealing children and all that are listening. My kids better be back in my care. Or I'm just going to go ahead and just say I give them the clear to basically do a whole national news on Philadelphia about all the crimes they have committed to all parents. I have enough evidence. People will be losing their jobs. People will be in federal prison. Some of these charges are enough to go and get prosecuted. You could be prosecuted.